Hi! Hopefully you're using your oils and loving them. Often we share what we love. If you go to a good restaurant and you have a great time and a great experience, often you'll tell people what you love about that restaurant and they'll want to try it too. Essential oils and dōTERRA is the same. Often we share what we love and want others to have the same great experience we had. Hosting a class is a great way to share what we love. Classes can be done online or in person. It's a time where your guests can learn about essential oils, how they work, and the different benefits that could help their health and wellness. They also get to try essential oils. Even our online classes, we love to give samples so people will be able to experience those at the class. It's really simple to do, and you can just invite your friends to have a fabulous time with you learning about essential oils. To share what you love, we offer host rewards and special gifts to you, and maybe you'll even want to earn a check. That's an available option to you as well. We look forward to helping all of your friends learn about essential oils, and if you are ready to host a class, just click the link at the bottom for some scheduling options. Just shoot me an email and let me know you want to schedule a class. Hope to see you soon, and let's all share what we love. Have a great day. See you soon.